Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ClickUp account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you invite a member or an admin into your ClickUp Workspace? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to invite a new member into your ClickUp Workspace anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you probably work with a lot of different contractors or employees, and you need to invite them into your workspace to help manage the tasks. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ClickUp account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ClickUp account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and invite a new member into your workspace, what you're going to do is here on the top left, click on the little arrow next to the name of your workspace. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the different workspace you have in ClickUp. So make sure that the one you want to invite the member is on the top right here, because once you do that, it's going to open up this 4-button menu down here at the bottom. As you can see right here, it's not available because we would need to switch into that workspace. So I'm switching in right now. Okay, now same screen. So we are in a different workspace and we're going to do that same button. And as you can see, those 4 buttons appear and this workspace is listed on top. And all you want to do is click on Manage Users. Okay, so once you do that, you will see all of the different users you have inside of your workspace. You can see it's just me right here. And in order to go ahead and invite a new member or add an admin, you're going to need to add their email right here. And next, you're going to choose what type of role they're going to play. Are they just going to be a member so they can have access into the workspace? Do you want them to go ahead and just be a guest so that way they can view? Or are they going to be an admin? So are they going to be able to manage spaces, people, billing? For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and add a member, and then I'm going to add in the email, and you need to click on invite. So let me do that off screen. Okay, just a quick second later, you can see that person has been added as a member. So this is pending them reviewing their email and then accepting the invitation. Once they do that, they will be added as a member into my ClickUp Workspace. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a member or an admin into your ClickUp Workspace, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.